To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Mesh analysis. Question. Find the value of current I. Here in this circuit, we have to find the value of current I by using mesh analysis. Solution. Let's say this is mesh number 1 with current I1 and this is mesh number 2 with current I2. Now according to the direction of this current, this will be positive here, this will be negative here, positive, negative, and positive here, negative here. According to the direction of this current I2, this will be positive here and negative here, positive, negative. Now let's apply KVL to mesh number 1. Apply KVL to mesh 1. Now according to KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law. Let's say we are starting from this point, so it will be minus 5, then plus 2I1, then plus 1I1, so plus 1I1, then plus 3. Now here this 3 ohm is common in both mesh 1 and mesh 2, and we are solving for mesh number 1, so it will be I1 minus I2, and it is equal to 0 because here the loop is completed, so it is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this, so it will be minus 5, here we will write minus 5, then this will be 3I1, so plus 3I1, then this will be plus 3I1, then minus 3I2 is equal to 0. Now here this will be 3 plus 3I1 plus 3I1 will be 6I1, then minus 3I2. If we take this minus 5 on right side, so it will be plus 5. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now next, apply KVL to mesh number 2. Apply KVL to mesh number 2. Let's say we are starting from this point, so it will be plus 3. Then here this 3 ohm is common in both mesh 2 and mesh 1. And now this time we are solving for mesh number 2. So it will be I2 minus I1. So I2 minus I1, then plus 2I2, then plus 4 is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 3I2 minus 3I1 plus 2I2 is equal to minus 4. Now this will be minus 3I1 and this 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5I2 is equal to minus 4. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, we get, if we solve equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will solve this in calculator. So mod 5, then 1, so 6, then minus 3, then 5, then from equation number 2 this will be minus 3, 5, minus 4. So therefore I1 is equal to 0.619. I1 is equal to 0.619 ampere and I2 is equal to minus 0.428, ampere. But here in this question we have to find the value of current I. Here we can see the direction of current I is downward. So therefore I is equal to I1 minus I2. So I is equal to I1 minus I2. Here we can see this I1 is greater than this I2, and the direction of this I1 is downward, the direction of this I2 is upward. Here we can see the direction of this I1 is downward with reference to this 3 ohm, and the direction of this I2 is upward with reference to this 3 ohm. And here the I1 is greater than I2, so the direction of this I will be according to the direction of this I, and we are subtracting because the direction of I1 and I2 both are opposite, so therefore I is equal to I1 minus I2. So let's solve this. So it will be 0.619 minus 0.428. So therefore current I is equal to 0.619, then minus in bracket minus 0.428 minus 0.428. It is equal to 1.047 ampere. So this is the value of current I. So this is how we can solve question by using mesh analysis, and we can find the value of current I by using mesh analysis. Check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Thanks for watching.